Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Issa here. We're going to do some phonics cards today, okay? Consonants. F, fish. S, seed. S, M, mop. H, hand. N, nose. P, pizza. T, tiger. C, candle. L, lamp. O, K, key. K, turn the key. G, girl. G, D, desk. D, Y, yellow. Y, J, jug. J, R, red. R, Z, zero. Z, V, van. V, drive the van. V, B, bike. B, W, window. X, box. X. All right, vowel sounds. A, apple. A. E, elephant. A, a, a. I, insect. I, I, I. O, octopus. Aw. U, umbrella. A. Great job with your consonants and short vowel sounds.